This is Opinion Radar, and welcome to my hands-on look at a tool that promises to simplify wiring tasks for anyone from hobbyists to seasoned technicians. In the world of electrical projects, a reliable crimping solution can mean the difference between a quick fix and a long-lasting connection, so I'm eager to see whether this kit lives up to that expectation. I'll walk you through my first impressions, real-world performance, and the value it offers at its price point, while also highlighting any quirks that might affect your workflow. Whether you're setting up a smart home sensor, tackling garden lighting, or just need a trustworthy addition to your toolbox, this review will give you a clear picture of what to expect. So, without further ado, let's get into the details. When I first unboxed the Preciva Ferrule Crimping Tool, the first thing that struck me was the solid feel of the handles and the sleek hexagonal design that immediately suggested durability. The tool is built for AWG-285 wires, which covers a broad range of common household and hobbyist projects, and the adjustable ratcheting mechanism ensures that each crimp is consistent without requiring excessive force. What sets this kit apart is the inclusion of 1,500 wire connectors in various sizes, giving you the flexibility to tackle everything from small sensor leads to thicker power cables. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during long sessions, and the quick-change crimp surfaces mean you can swap between terminal types without fumbling with extra tools. At a price point of $31, it feels like a professional-grade solution that's surprisingly affordable for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned electricians alike. In my day-to-day work around the house, the crimper has become indispensable, especially for tasks like repairing irrigation lines, installing outdoor lighting, and wiring up custom sensor arrays for smart home projects. The ability to quickly and securely attach ferrules to stranded wire means I no longer have to juggle a pair of pliers in one hand while twisting the wire with the other, a common frustration when dealing with tight spaces or awkward angles. It also shines when I'm building prototype boards. The clean, reliable crimps keep connections stable, reducing the need for constant resoldering. Even when I'm out on the farm, trimming and connecting low-voltage control wires for gate openers becomes a breeze, thanks to the tool's consistent pressure and the variety of terminal sizes that fit the exact gauge I'm using. What I truly appreciate about this kit are the tangible benefits that translate directly into better workmanship. The crimping action produces a very solid metallic bond that feels almost like a permanent solder joint, which gives me confidence that the connections will hold up under vibration or environmental stress. The adjustable ratchet ensures that each crimp reaches the optimal pressure point without over-compressing the ferrule, preserving the integrity of the wire strand. Comfort is another major win. The rubberized handles fit naturally in the palm, and the lever action requires surprisingly little strength, allowing me to work for extended periods without sore wrists. Considering the extensive assortment of connectors and the tool's build quality, the $31 price tag offers exceptional value, especially when compared to buying a professional crimper and separate connector packs individually. No product is without its quirks, and a few minor drawbacks are worth mentioning before you commit. While the kit includes a wide range of terminal sizes, I found that the very smallest pins, those intended for delicate breadboard or DuPont-style connections, are not well served. The ferrules can be a bit bulky for those applications. Additionally, some of the connectors arrive with tiny plastic end caps that need to be trimmed off with a pair of nippers before the ferrule can be properly seated, adding an extra step to the workflow. The metal composition of the crimps isn't clearly labeled, leaving me to wonder whether I'm dealing with steel, copperclad, or another alloy, something that could matter for corrosion-prone environments. Though these issues are relatively minor, they're worth keeping in mind if you need ultra-precise or corrosion-resistant terminations for critical projects. Using the tool has given me a surprising sense of professionalism. There's something genuinely satisfying about pulling a wire, sliding on a ferrule, and watching the crimper deliver a clean, tight seal that looks as if it were done by a seasoned technician. Over time, I've learned a few tips that make the experience even smoother. For instance, ordering connectors without the factory-installed plastic ends saves a few minutes per batch, and selecting the ferrule that best matches the wire gauge avoids the need for excessive trimming. I also keep a spare set of the larger crimp surfaces handy for heavier gauge wires, swapping them out as needed without interrupting the flow of the project. These small adjustments have turned the kit into a versatile go-to solution that feels both reliable and adaptable to whatever task I'm facing. Overall, the Preciva Ferrule Crimping Tool kit strikes an impressive balance between performance, comfort, and price. It delivers professional-level crimps that hold up under real-world conditions, while the ergonomic design keeps the job comfortable even during lengthy sessions. The breadth of connectors included means you're prepared for a wide array of wiring scenarios without having to hunt for additional parts. Though the kit could benefit from clearer metal specifications and a few refinements for the tiniest terminals, these are relatively minor trade-offs given the tool's overall capability and cost-effectiveness. I'd recommend it to anyone who regularly works with stranded wire, whether you're a hobbyist, a home improvement DIYer, or a small-scale professional, because it reliably turns a sometimes tedious task into a quick, confidence-boosting part of the job. Thanks for watching. If crisp crimps and hassle-free wiring excite you, smash that like button and tap subscribe for more tool reviews that keep your projects tight. Join the community, stay powered up, and be the first to hear about the next gear that streamlines the job.